My name is Namdev from class 7. Today we are discussing here GD topic education in the favor. Education plays a vital role in shaping society as it provides individual with the knowledge, skills and values necessary to participate in civic life. Thank you. Now the education is too costly. It has a business in the government school. There are not tables, too much pressure in the students in home, school or reading and learning.
Morning everyone, my name is Arus from class 5. Today we are discussing 4GD topic for education in favor. Education helps me learn new things every day like reading, writing and counting.
There are too much competition. There is too much unemployment because of education increasing day by day. Thank you.
Pushottam Rawat read in class 7. Today we discussing about education in his favor. Educated more productive, they are able to understand their role in their company or organization and work.
My name is Abhishek from class 7. We are discussing here GD topic of education. In negative, poverty students from poor background are generally less successfully than those from affluent homes. Good morning everyone.
Morning.
My name is Natik from class 7. We are discussing about GD topic for education in favor. Education importance like skills like problems solving and logical things that flexibility, process, growth and development. Thank you.
Time wastes as some lazy students, many not clear, properly disciplined professional trainers waste efforts to motivate them. Thank you. Function of education is to think better and critically and help develop a respect opinions towards life. It can help you gain respect from other and sharpen your mind. Thank you. Miss Kanchan, I am
The current education system may we have not enough incursions between learning out the requirement. Thank you.
everyone.
Morning.
An educated society is crucial for economic growth. We need people to continue to learn and research in order to constantly stay innovative. Countries with higher literacy rate also tend to be in better economic situations. Within a more educated population, more employment opportunities are open. Thank you. There are too much scams for education, and they destroy their future of students, and it impact on their mind, and it can be happens. Compulsory that knowledge can impact in the mind and it impact in the mental health. If there is anyone have to interest the read education, it can be a good person and he can very big companies. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Vaishnavi from class 5th. We are gathered here to GD to discuss GD topic education in negative. It is not compulsory to they join big companies. There is too much scam for job. Thank you.
अगर किसी गांव में किसी इंसान की तबीयत खराब हो जाती है तो जब उसे कहीं शहरों में ले जाया जाता है तो अगर हॉस्पिटल में अगर कोई डॉक्टर पढ़ा लिखा नहीं होगा तो उसकी सर्जरी कैसे करेगा तो उस इंसान की जान भी जा सकती है। इसलिए तो थैंक यू।
डॉक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए। हम ये कह रहे हैं कि कम जितनी मात्रा हमको चाहिए उतना ही होना चाहिए। अगर डॉक्टर के लिए जितनी मात्रा चाहिए उतनी हमको हमारे पास डॉक्टर होने चाहिए। जितनी हमको पुलिस की मात्रा चाहिए हमें उतनी चाहिए। और रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन में जो वर्कर्स चाहिए वो अगर वो पुलिस की डिग्री करके वहाँ बैठेंगे तो क्या करेंगे फिर वो।
Population is good for the economy of the country. Foreign investment is attacked by an educated. Thank you.
If they not get jobs, it's wastage of money. I am
A better life for their children and more money for themselves. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Morning.
My name is Aisha from class 4th. We are discussing here GD topic on education against. बहुत से लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो अपनी पढ़ाई पर बहुत से पैसे खर्च करते हैं और जब उनकी बात
They not get better jobs. Now the time the jobs are coming on luck. It is happen of waste of money. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Tamanna from class 7. Today I am discussing here GD topic about education in the favor. The culture of a country is enriched by having a highly educated workforce. The more participations in discussion, the more ideas and informations are exchanged in higher participation in local and national forms and group and the better for the country. Thank you.
का कल्चर है वो इंक्रीज and unprofessional education system on the waste of time and money, lack of coordination. The current education system may not have coordination between learning and jobs requirement. Thank you. Well, educated people can take up different jobs and become successfully in life. जो है आज के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली हो चुकी है और बहुत सारे लोग इसका फ़ायदा उठाकर बहुत अमीर हो रहे हैं। जैसे कि अगर कोई बोलता है कि मुझे 1 लाख रुपए दो, मैं तुम्हारा मेडिकल स्कूल में पूरे 1 साल के लिए एडमिशन करा दूंगा, और अगले दिन वो फरार हो जाता है, तो उसमें स्कैम हो जाते हैं बहुत सारे। धन्यवाद।
Today